Growth and development stages factors. Stages of development: infancy, early childhood, middle childhood, late childhood, adolescent, early adulthood, mature, late adulthood, old age. Infancy. This period extends from birth to 18 months of age. The infant who comes to the new environment from mother's womb needs only nourishment. If the child's caretaker, the mother, anticipates and fulfills these needs consistently, the infant learns to trust others, develops confidence. If the infant fails to get needed support and care, it develops mistrust, which affects the personality in later stages of life. Early childhood. This stage ranges from 18 months to 3 years. By second year of life, the muscular and nervous systems have developed markedly, and the child is eager to acquire new skills, is no longer content to sit and watch. The child moves around, the examines its environment, but judgment develops more slowly. The child needs guidance. Middle childhood. This stage extends from 3 to 5 years. It is at this time the child's willingness to try new things is facilitated or inhibited. If caretaker recognizes the child's creative effort in attempting to do some activities and encouraging, the crisis will be resolved in favorable direction, and this outcome, if repeated, should influence the future initiative. Late childhood. This period ranges from 5 to 12 years. During this period, the child develops greater attention span, needs less sleep, and gains rapidly in strength. Therefore, the child can expend much more effort in acquiring skills and needs accomplishment regardless of ability. This children aims to develop feeling of competent rather than inability. Adolescence. This is a period of transition from childhood to adolescence which extends from 12 to 20 years. During this period, the individual attains puberty, leading to many changes. These changes have enormous implications for the individual's sexual, social, emotional, and vocational life. That is why Stanley Hall has rightly described this period as a period of storm and stress. Early adulthood. This stage extends from 20 to 30 years. As an adult, the individual takes a firmer place in society, usually holding a job, contributing to community, and maintaining a family and care of offspring. These new responsibilities can create tensions and frustrations, and one solution involves is an intimate relationship with family. Mature or late adulthood. This period ranges from 30 to 65 years. It is otherwise called middle age. This requires expanding one's interest beyond oneself to include the next generation. The positive solution to the crisis lies not only in giving birth to children but also in working, teaching, and caring for the young in the products and ideas of the culture and in a more general beliefs in the species. Old age. This age is the extension after 65 years till death. By this age, people's goals and abilities have become more limited. The term integrity implies emotional integration. It is not accepting one's life as one's own responsibility. It is based on so much on what has happened but as on how one feels about it. Factors related to growth and development. Human development is the process in which the changes occur in all the aspects of an organism from conception to death. All children do not grow in the similar fashion. All children also do not have same type of intelligence. So children differ from each other because several factors influence on their development. Heredity factor. The children crisis genetic endowments from his or her parents. It is a genetically transmitted characteristics from one generation to the next. The physical characteristics like height, weight, eye color, etc., and psychological characteristics such as intelligence, personality, creativity, and so on are innately determined and hereditary. Environmental factors. Environment consists of a wide range of stimuli and it provides the necessary input and experiential base for development of the child. Enrichment or empowerment of the environment would produce differences in his abilities. Home environment. The child begins to acquire knowledge through interaction with parents and other family members. During his early years of development, the behaviors of the child are modulated by the home environment. Cultural factors. The development of the child is influenced by the family as well as by the society. The child learns the habits, beliefs, attitudes, skills, and standards of judgment, though the socialization process of the child take place according to the culture, customs, the tradition of the society. Socioeconomic status. The children of low socioeconomic status may develop as malnourished, suffer from lack of knowledge in many aspects, and their normal development may get hampered. Children of the high socioeconomic groups of the society get better social opportunities. Education and training. Each child is equipped with certain abilities which need to be nurtured through proper education and training. If proper identification of the ability is not possible and adequate facilities are not available to the child, then his innate ability may not be developed.